Hi, I recently posted some code on instructables onto an existing article. It's under improved Arduino Rotary encoder reading. I wanted it to work with an STM32 blue pill, and so I posted this code, but lots of people saying it doesn't work, and I think even though I post a picture of it working, but I think the problem is they're maybe not using the same core for the Arduino IDE that I am. I'm using the STM32 core. In fact, we'll take a look at what I've got, what additional things I've got plugged into the Arduino IDE, just so you know what I'm running. But I think that might be a problem. So let's run the Arduino IDE. Standard blink sketch. Let's just look at what additionals I've got plumbed in. Where's the Arduino? There we go. STM32 So it's this one that's on here. Arduino core for STM32. That's what I'm running, guys. I'll just upload the blink sketch so you can see that working. Right, the setup that I've got here is this is just a standard rotary encoder. I've got some LEDs in the same housing. Standard rotary encoder. I have got some debounce capacitors soldered on the back of it. But it's just 3 wires go into our microcontroller. Ground, pin A and pin B, just as it is in the code. And now you can see that's running the blink sketch now. So I'll reset it again. I've not moved the link across to retain it because we don't need to do that at the moment. Right, let me go back to the code that I posted then. Just copy and paste it. Upload it. Uploading. Open the serial monitor. And there you go. Turn the date stamps off if you don't like them. Now somebody was saying that they did get it to work, but it was running really slow. Well, I've got this set up so you move the encoder once and it just counts up. It doesn't count below 0. I'll show you why. I didn't want it to wrap around. So in the code, that not wrapping around is achieved by it's just that little test there. It just makes sure that encoder pos is still a positive value before decrementing it. So what I was going to tell you guys, it works. You can see it works. I've just copied it from the website and posted it in here and it works. Anyhow, bye for now.